The moon. The moon is mentioned in Quran chapter 54 verse 1. In fact, chapter 54 of the Quran is named Qamar, the moon. Relative to the plane of the ecliptic, Earth's orbital plane around the Sun, the moon's axial tilt is relatively small, about 1.542 approximately equal to 1.54 degrees, and its inclination is about 5.1454 degrees. The hour has drawn near and the moon was split in two. Qamar 54 verse 1. Number 1, axial tilt. The moon, our celestial companion, holds a unique position in the solar system, and one of its defining characteristics is its axial tilt. This tilt, formerly known as obliquity, refers to the angle between the moon's axis of rotation and the plane in which Earth orbits the Sun, also known as the plane of the ecliptic. This angle is a remarkably slight 1.54 degrees, as stated in a NASA document page 13. This minimal tilt has profound implications for the lunar environment. Compared to Earth's significant axial tilt of approximately 23.4 degrees, which gives our planet its distinct seasons, the moon experiences virtually no seasonal variations. Because its axis is nearly perpendicular to the plane of its orbit around the Sun, there are no dramatic shifts in solar insolation across its surface throughout its year, which is equivalent to Earth's year. Consequently, regions near the moon's poles experience extremely consistent lighting conditions. The highest peaks at the lunar poles can be bathed in near-perpetual sunlight, while the floors of deeply shadowed craters remain in eternal darkness. These permanently shadowed regions are of immense scientific interest as potential cold traps, preserving water ice, and other volatile compounds that have accumulated over billions of years. The moon's minimal axial tilt is a key factor in its geological stability and the preservation of its surface features. Unlike Earth, where a more pronounced tilt contributes to dynamic atmospheric and oceanic circulation that shapes the landscape, the moon's surface is primarily sculpted by meteorite impacts, without the moderating effects of significant temperature fluctuations driven by seasonal changes. This small degree of axial tilt helps define the moon's stark, unchanging polar environments, and contributes to its overall unique planetary characteristics. Number 2, inclination. The moon's 5.1454 degrees orbital inclination is the main reason why eclipses are not a monthly occurrence. This tilt means the moon's orbit is at an angle to the ecliptic plane, which is the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. As a result, the moon usually passes either above or below the ecliptic. Eclipses can only happen when the moon is in its new or full phase and is crossing the ecliptic at a point known as a node. If the moon's orbit wasn't tilted, it would cross the ecliptic plane every month, causing a solar eclipse at every new moon and a lunar eclipse at every full moon. Fun math. In the chapter named Qamar, a celestial number emerged, 1,461 letters. Relative to the plane of the ecliptic, Earth's orbital plane around the Sun, the moon's axial tilt is relatively small, about 1.54 degrees, and its inclination is about 5.1454 degrees. Within these digits 154 and 51454, a hidden harmony awaits revelation. When the values are woven together in a sacred order, they unravel to a singular, cosmic sum that equals 1,461, 154 plus 514 plus 145 plus 454 plus 15 plus 51 plus 14 plus 45 plus 54 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4.